Yes students, now we are in chapter 6, that is division part 1. Now revision. Now this revision you are going to do as a homework in your practice notebook. Okay students, now what is meant by division students? And you will have studied in 3rd standard the division, what we are going to divide into equal. Okay, now see revision, once we will revise it. If 20 chocolates are divided equally between 5 children, how many does each child will get? Means how many total chocolates are there? 20 chocolates are there. And how many children are there? 5 children. So how many chocolate each child will get? Now in 5 table, how many times 20 will come? Before solving the sums, you are supposed to write the table. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Like this you are supposed to write the table. In 5 table, how many times the 20 is coming? The 20 comes 4 times. So each child will get how many chocolates? Each child will get 4 chocolates. Okay students, now see the second one. If 21 flowers are divided among equally between 7 children, how many children? 7 children. And how many flowers are there? 21 flowers are there. How many flowers does each child will get? Now we are supposed to see in 7 table how many times 21 comes? It comes 3 times. So each child will be getting 3 flowers. Okay, now see the third one. Let us arrange 15 divided by 5. This is the symbol indicates what? This symbol indicates division. Okay, let us arrange 15 divided 5 in the form of dots. Okay, as 5 is the divisor, 5 is going to be the divisor. Let us put 5 dots in one row and find out how many rows are needed for 15 dots. In one row we will draw 5 dots. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now 5 is done, balance 10 is there. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Now 10 is done, 10 dots are done. Now again written 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now how many is there? Here 5, here 5, here 5. So 5 5 5 15. Correct? Now this is the first row and this is the second row and this is going to be the third row. So it takes 3 rows to complete 15 dots. Okay, these all are easy sums and you will have already done all these sums in 3rd standard. Now this all revision you will do in your practice notebook as a homework. Okay, now we will go to the exercise. Now in the same way solve the following problems by using dots. First one is 8 divided by 2. Okay, so in each line 2 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 done. So how many rows are needed? 1 2 3 4. So 4 rows. Okay, now next one, 16 divided by 4. So in one line how many dots you will draw? 4 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 done. Okay, now how many rows are needed? 1 2 3 4. So how many rows are needed? Total 4 rows are needed. Okay students, this is easy now to use by using the dots to do the division sums. Now 3rd and 4th will be homework and I have given in the PDF as a homework. Okay, now we will go to page number 33. The interrelationship between division and multiplication. You all know students, there is interrelationship between addition and subtraction. In the same way, there is interrelationship between multiplication and division. Okay. When it is asked to find out for more, we use addition. When it is asked to find out, when it is asked to do the less, so we use minus. When it is asked to find out for more, for 1 it is given, and if they will ask to find out for more, then multiply. When it is given for more and we are supposed to find it for 1, then it is division. Okay, so there is interrelationship between addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. Now let us see how there is interrelationship between एक दूसरे संबंध. Okay, now see the first one, 7 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? 7 5s are 35. Now 35 divided by dash is equal to 5. The same way, what they have said, 35 divided by 5. Okay, in 5 table 35 comes, students. In 5 table 35 is there. Okay, how many times? You all say the table. For division sum, students, you are supposed to learn the table well, so that you can do it very easily. Okay, now in 5 table how many times 35 comes? In 5 table 35 comes 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Yes, that is 5 7s are 35. So here the answer is 7. Now in the same way, how we have done in the same way, in 7 table how many times 35 comes? In 7 table how many times the 35 comes? Yes, it is 5. Correct? Now you all can easily understand. See, when it is 7 5 here, when it is 5 here, 7, so 7 into 5 or 5 into 7, both the answer is 35. Both the answers are 35. Correct? Yes. Now see the second one. See the second one. 6 7s are 42. Same way, in 7 table how many times 42 comes? 7 6s are, so here 6. Now again in 42, in 6 table how many times it will come? 7s are, 6 7s are. This is the multiplication, and here the symbols changes, that is division, and the answer it is going to be same only. 6 7s are, 7 6s are. Okay, now 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. The same way, it is here it is multiplying. When it comes into division, the number is going to interrelate, change. Okay, 9 means if it is 9 here, here the answer will be 5. If the 9 is here, here the answer will be 5. Okay, 9 5s are 45. It is going to interchange the place. Now see, in 8 table how many times 56 comes? That is 8 8, yes, 7s are, yes, 8 7s are. What is the answer? It is 56. Now see, here 8 is given, so what will be the number over here? 7s are. If 7 is given, what will be the number over here? 8. Now you all can understand how the places interchange among each. Okay, now we will go to next page.